Oh, hello friends, Preacher here. You know, you kind of snuck up on me. I didn't hear you walk up. You know, speaking of hearing, friends, there is a website I think that you ought to visit that might help you. You know, Preacher has had some injury to his ears over the years. You know, I was in a rock band back when I was a young lad, and I got up too close to the amplifiers, and that didn't help my ears. We played psychedelic music. You know, after that, I went on into the construction field, and I was around heavy equipment a lot. Heavy equipment, friends, can damage your hearing. Now, it may not damage it that day, but as you get older, which I have, then you have a condition called tinnitus. Now, we want you to check this out. It's called Tinnitus Miracle System X.com. There's the spelling for you, friends. Don't forget the X at the end. Now, they've got some great resources there for you to learn more about the tinnitus that you have in your ear. That ringing in your ears, it's all the time. It's driving Preacher crazy. Friends, do yourself a favor. Get the resources at the website, and I know it'll help you out, friends. Oh, we love you so much. We want you to hear and have a good life. Amen.